This is where the metal piece snapped in half. If you look closely, you can see the rough edges. And I have the little pieces that I found on the ground next to it. Over here. Don't know exactly where they came from. And it managed to hurt 2 people. Oh, and you can see the other side of the pole where the rough metal edges are. This is really not made well at all.
I bought this umbrella to use it with the stand that I got previously, and the umbrella was suggested as something that would work out with the stand. Anyways, I don't have anything against the umbrella. It's a nice umbrella, good quality, but it just didn't work that well with the stand. So the size is not right. So I guess if you have a right stand, it's a really good quality umbrella. Yeah.
This umbrella fell apart. The mechanism to keep it going straight or tipping at an angle has broken after a few months. I think it should be replaced.
I get to my knee.
All right, as you can see, it looks great. Great shade. Yeah, that's all.
I've had this 2 days and it won't lock in the straight position anymore, no matter what I do. You get what you pay for.